How to log in HSBC Mobile Banking on UK. Now, if you wish to log into your HSBC Mobile Banking app, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. First of all, go to your App Store or your Play Store and make sure to find the HSBC UK Mobile Banking app and make sure you download them. Once you've done that, simply open the HSBC UK Mobile Banking application. Then after you've done that, on the next page, what you have to do is you will see this type of interface. So tap the continue button, accept the cookies and as well as also the terms and conditions, allow the communication consent and tap the continue button. Now, if you do not yet have an account on HSBC, you can tap on not yet open a bank account and you can follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. If you already have an account and you want to register or log in, tap on yes, log in or register button from here. Then just tap on register if you haven't registered for online banking, but this video is for those users who have already created their online banking account or mobile banking. So go to the sign in button. Over here, simply enter the username of your mobile banking account which you also used during your sign up process, and after you've done that, you can tap the continue button and then enter your password. In case you forgot your username or password, you can tap the forgot username, or on the next page you can tap on forgot password button to be able to verify a couple of information and then reset your mobile banking access. This way you'll be able to log into HSBC Mobile Banking UK. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.